bringing more awareness to our unpleasant emotions, feelings, triggers, energies in the body, knots, activation. These activations could be, we are triggered, something happens, and we are triggered. For most of us, we are triggered, we are not aware of what's happening in the body, and this energy of reactivity and pain body goes into the head, and then we have lots of thoughts about it. We take the person to mental court, we rehash the situation, we are complaining inside, we are judging them, so we are going there, and this can go on for a long time, it can go for days, you know? So we want to short circuit this loop and catch it early. So whenever something happens and you feel yourself a little triggered, a little activated, it's important to train yourself to notice that soon, notice that. And if possible, right then or soon afterwards, sit down or walk, whatever, but it's better to sit, and catch yourself in the lots of thoughts and all that and triggered. So try to come back to the breath. There's this saying in Buddhism, Thich Nhat Hanh, Master Thich Nhat Hanh would say that when there's big storms in wind, the branches of the trees, they are flailing in the wind, but the trunk is stable. So the leaves and the branches are the mind, and the trunk is the body, the belly breath awareness. So just shut up in the mind, and take a few deeper breaths, not to get rid of the trigger, but to get more anchored in the now, more established, more conscious of what's going on. Yeah, so take a few 4 or 5 deep conscious breaths, resisting the temptation to go back into the mind. Yeah, do this, you get more conscious, and then notice where is the trigger in the body, where is it? Maybe in the chest, in the belly, in the gut, in the jaw. Notice that, bring awareness to it. Don't fight it, don't reject it, don't go into trying to get rid of it, trying to analyze it. Just bring awareness to that activation in the body. Be very precise. Oh, it's fire in the chest, it's stabbing in my heart. And treat this as if it's a special guest, it's a ragged child coming from the woods, it's your child. You don't want to get rid of it, you don't want to reject it, you want to welcome it. Welcome it and just stay observing it, allowing it to be. Yeah, this way you practice this welcoming of unpleasant stuff. It's the easiest way to regulate and the easiest way to get underneath the trigger, see what's really going on. So first of all, get off from the mind, come into the breath awareness, then notice where's the trigger, let go resisting it, welcome it completely while being present. Yeah? Then, when it's like that, you can look into mind or access that energy in the body, and you go, okay, this fire in the chest, if you were to say something, what would it say? What is this about? What old story of mine might have been activated by this situation out there? Yeah, so you now get to the very root cause of what's happening. Maybe that somebody's an asshole, is taking advantage of you, and you have some anger, which is necessary, you know. A healthy anger is meant to alert you that something is off and you need to put some boundaries, you need to speak, or you need to do something, yeah? But very often, I would say 90%, we are triggered because the current situation presses a button in us, in our pain body, and an old dynamic, old situation is evoked. And then, basically, we are suffering with the past, you know, and this situation is just a little similar. And this old situation that is activated carries in it some old, what's called old pain body beliefs about me or about the world, or old deficiency story, like, you see, I can't trust anybody, it's not safe to be myself, I'm not good enough, I will never be good enough, there's something wrong with me, everybody wants to trick me. So just see whatever comes up spontaneously from your looking into that activation. And if such deficiency story comes up, then put it on a screen and just don't believe it, although you subconsciously believe it, but just see it in front of you. You're like, oh wow, I'm a trigger with my partner. I drop down from the head. There's this in my belly. What does it say? She wants to control me. Okay, just look at it. It's another thought. Doesn't mean that it's true. It's like on TV, you know, they say a bunch of stuff. Doesn't mean it's true. You see, oh wow, actually she doesn't want to control me. That's how I felt as a child. Oh, okay. Breathe and allow, yeah, and stay anchored into the somatic experience, into the now. Breathe and allow. Don't feed it. And return to this just being present to it. There are more steps further to go, but we are building gradually on each other.